In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Base44 platform from a developer's perspective to customize your applications. Let's get started. I'll begin on the main dashboard where I can see my active projects. I'm going to select my Lumina Gallery app from the sidebar to open the editor. Once the project loads, I'm greeted with the visual preview of the photo gallery I've been building. To dive into the technical details, I'll click on the Dashboard tab at the top and then navigate down to the Code section in the left-hand menu. This opens up the full file directory for the project. By opening the login file, I can review the React code and see exactly how the Google login provider is integrated. Next, I want to tweak the styling. I'll scroll down the file tree and open the Tailwind configuration file. Here, I have direct access to the theme settings. I can easily view and modify the color palette, border radius, and utility classes that define the look and feel of the entire application. Base44 effectively bridges the gap between low-code ease and professional coding flexibility. It allows me to use AI-generated structures while maintaining total control over the source code and configuration files. This workflow ensures that I can build rapidly without ever hitting a wall when I need to implement custom logic or specific branding. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.